Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use mortar in Clash Royale. This fantastic 4-elixir siege building targets crown towers and ground troops with a very impressive range of 13 tiles. For solid defense, place it 4 tiles from the river and 2 tiles from your arena tower. This positioning keeps it safe, allowing it to provide strong support and pressure. To launch an aggressive mortar push, place it right at the bridge, aiming directly at their crown tower. Remember to always provide support with a sturdy tank or a swarm of smaller units to shield your mortar from incoming attacks. This offensive placement can often bait out expensive counter cards from your opponent, helping you gain a significant elixir advantage over time. Mortar also excels as a defensive structure, pulling and distracting many enemy ground troops away from your precious crown towers. Its generous 13-tile range allows it to impact units in both lanes, offering incredible defensive versatility. By carefully placing it, you can effectively kite powerful melee troops around your arena, significantly minimizing the damage your towers would otherwise take. Maximizing your mortar's potential involves smart card synergies. Pair it with low-elixir cycling cards, like skeletons or goblins, to quickly rotate your hand and keep pressure on. Use defensive spells such as arrows or the log to efficiently clear out pesky swarm troops that threaten your mortar. Combining it with a solid mini-tank, for example the Knight or Valkyrie, creates a very robust counter-push.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.